Stop letting projects spin out of control and learn how to build killer roadmaps in Jira to keep your team focused and on track. First, log into your Jira instance and make sure you have the Roadmaps feature enabled. If you don't see it, you may need to install the Roadmaps app from the Atlassian Marketplace, then navigate to your project and select Roadmaps from the project navigation. Great! Next, let's create a new roadmap. Click on Create Roadmap if you haven't done so before. Otherwise, you can just click on Roadmaps from the project navigation, give your roadmap a descriptive name, such as Project X Roadmap, and select the appropriate project, then click Create. Now, it's time to populate your roadmap with issues representing project goals and features. You can either import existing issues from your board by clicking the Import Issues button, or, more likely, you'll create new ones. Click the Create Issue button and select the issue. Carefully input all the details such as issue type, summary, assignee, and a relevant description. Most importantly, define approximate start and end dates for each issue, which will determine its placement on your timeline. Repeat this for each feature, epic, or milestone you want to include. All your work is starting to take shape. Look at that beautiful timeline. You can now visually see how everything works together. You can drag and drop the issues on the roadmap to adjust their timelines and order. Double-click on an issue to update your information. Using the Expand or Collapse features will also help you keep the roadmaps organized. Let's customize the view. Play around with different zoom levels to get a better overview. Use the filtering options available to focus on specific teams or assignees. This can help you to track the overall status of your project, see potential roadblocks, and anticipate delays. And there you have it. Now you have a clear visual representation of your project's progress within the roadmap, so you can easily analyze the progress of different features and milestones within the project. Regularly review and update your roadmap as the project progresses to keep everyone informed. You've just learned the basics of building powerful project roadmaps in Jira. Now go forth and keep those projects on track. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more project management tips.